For me, some of the most amazing things that I get to do in my life are ride my motorcycle and go to the beach, which is just incredibly beautiful, and especially if it's a beautiful day, riding that bike. But what makes it all so wonderful is the fact that I can have financial freedom, time freedom, because of the amazing system, the automated system that makes money no matter if I'm riding my bike or what I'm doing. Now, you can learn how to follow this step-by-step blueprint and create an automated system that can do this for you. We have about 6 months left in the year. Could you use 30K in 90 days? Want to know how to do that? Put yes in the comments and let me send you the information and get you started, and maybe you'll find out how to do it by yourself. Okay? Love to help you. Go there, put yes in the comments now, and let's get started and knock the next 6 months out of the ballpark. You'll really be glad you did.